Hello, I'm Michelle Ellis. I'm your IRA liaison here at SBC. I'm here to walk you through the process of putting precious metals into your IRA. A precious metals IRA, also known as a Gold IRA, is a self-directed retirement plan that allows you to hold precious metals, like coins and bullion, rather than traditional investments like stocks and bonds. You can establish a new self-directed precious metals IRA, or you can roll over an existing retirement plan. There are several accounts eligible for rollover, like 401k, other employer-sponsored retirement plans, and many types of IRAs. Why should you invest your retirement savings into a precious metals IRA? If you're not comfortable with your full retirement in the stock market, if you're not pleased with the performance of your current IRA, if you have a majority of your liquidity in retirement accounts, or you would like to use your IRA savings but don't want to pay a penalty or taxes on a withdrawal just to purchase precious metals. What are the benefits of a precious metals IRA? With a precious metals IRA, you own actual, tangible metals, which offers a stronger and more balanced portfolio. And your investment is backed by an asset that's been trusted for thousands of years, ensuring it will never drop to zero. It also acts as a defensive shield for your investments, offering protection against financial uncertainty. A precious metals IRA provides a reliable avenue for steady wealth accumulation, allowing your assets to flourish over time. And you are in control, ensuring your wealth is managed to your specifications and comfort. A precious metals IRA offers notable tax benefits while easing your financial burden and maximizing your returns. So how do you establish your precious metals IRA? While this process has its intricacies, SBC has streamlined it for you. The process typically takes 1 to 3 weeks to complete, and SBC is here to guide you every step of the way. To invest in precious metals through a self-directed IRA, you must first establish a valid IRA. At SBC, you work directly with an IRA liaison who will simplify the application process for you. SBC will ensure that all the necessary paperwork is completed and the IRS rules are followed so you can avoid any penalties. Your IRA liaison will submit all the paperwork to the selected trust company for you. The second step is to fund your self-directed IRA. SBC will help you make your annual IRA contribution or assist you with a transfer or rollover of $10,000 or more from your existing retirement plans. Your SBC IRA liaison will help you facilitate these payments or transfers. Next, you purchase precious metals for your IRA. When purchasing precious metals through an IRA, there are restrictions on what metals are allowed. There are certain fineness requirements, certain product types are allowed while others are not, and there are certain eligible weights allowed. By working with your dedicated SBC Precious Metals advisor, you can be assured that you are selecting IRA-approved metals. Your advisor will help you choose the right gold and silver to match your investment goals and to help maximize their performance. Once purchased, your metals are sent to the depository of your choosing. Your dedicated SBC Precious Metals advisors will see that everything is delivered. And that's it. Your IRA is now completed and backed by physical precious metals. Why should you use Scottsdale Bullion Coin for your precious metals IRA? Your choice of who to help you set up your self-directed precious metals IRA is an important decision. At SBC, you have an IRA liaison by your side, ensuring smooth navigation and prompt assistance for all your IRA needs, saving you both time and stress. At SBC, you're teamed up with a dedicated precious metals advisor who will work with you to build a portfolio of precious metals specific to your goals, helping you take control of your IRA. Both your SBC advisor and IRA liaison are available on their direct lines. You're not calling an 800 number and getting a random customer service person. SBC works with depositories nationwide, so you can feel confident that your metals are stored safely and close by. Scottsdale Bullion Coin has been helping clients set up their precious metals IRA for over a decade. Let us help you take control of your retirement goals. We're here to help make the process quick and stress-free.